You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
You got that big one?
I still got it. This is actually my wife's car.
Really?
We got matching cars.
I was wrong. I thought it was the same vehicle. That's right. You don't got the fur nothing in this one. That's right.
No, this one's nice and clean still. She won't let me do it anymore.
You can't even sneak and do it.
Exactly. All right, let's go TDH. Let's give you the beans. Remix!
Oh.
One, two, this the AMPERE remix. Let's go.
but in person. Go against the game, you can't be on it. You got the Cali, got I floor it.
It's DJ Russell, baby.
That is the Kicker 12-inch L7X. It's a dual one wired at half ohm on the KXA 2400.1.
Okay. Yes, sir. Y'all know what I'm with, Livin out with Andy. Man, it's good seeing you, man.
Glad to see you again,
I know you coming to Slam, right?
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, you're still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.